Namaste Varanga. Namaste Bhaya Sabhavadibhyascha Namo Namaha. So today we are having Chandra Grahanam, lunar eclipse. So this Grahanam is also called as Grastodaya Chandra Grahanam. This Grahanam means eclipse is forming in Simha Rashi. So the Chandra will be in Simha and Sun, Surya will be in Kumbha Rashi. So on Purnima only lunar eclipse will form. So we can't experience this Chandra Grahana completely, as this Chandra Grahana starts from 3:20 p.m. to 6:47 p.m. But we can experience this Chandra Grahana while it is in Moksha Kala. This Chandra Grahana starts, which means we will experience from Chandrodaya Kala. The Chandrodaya starts at 6:22 p.m. in Bangalore. So from 6:22 p.m. to 6:47 p.m. we can experience or we can visualize this lunar eclipse in sky. So this lunar eclipse forms the stars which affects this lunar eclipse are Bharani, Magha, Purva Phalguni, Uttara Phalguni and Purva Shadha. In lunar eclipse and in any eclipse, there are certain things which we have to do and which we should not do. So here are do's and don'ts. Mantra japa, Veda Parayana, Stotra Athanam and other spiritual activities like bhajana and meditation can be do in this any eclipse. Coming to don'ts like eating, sleeping, quarreling, decision making, roaming outside under the eclipse, these are the things which we should not do in solar and even lunar eclipse. So our ancients sees given many pariharas to overcome this lunar eclipse prabhava. So today we choose from Matsya Purana. As we know, there are many Puranas. In Matsya Purana there are certain shlokas which explains about, which gives us remedies from effect of this lunar eclipse. So we have 8 deities for 8 directions, Dikpalakas. So while this lunar eclipse, these Dikpalakas help us for overcome or to not affect from this lunar eclipse. So let us all try to chant these 8 shlokas together so that we can have good strength and we will not affect with this lunar eclipse. So you can also know about this lunar eclipse that affects and everything from our VMAC VTR, which is under Division of Yoga Spirituality. So you can come there and you can know many things about this lunar solar eclipse and many astrological and astronomical things. So now let us chant these 8 shlokas. So these are 8 Dikpalakas. For 8 Dikpalakas we are chanting 8 different shlokas. So I will chant once, you all together chant twice. Yosau Vajradharo Devaha Adityanam Prabhurmataha Sahasranayanas Chandraha Grahapidam Vyapohatu Mukham yas sarvadevana Saptar Chiramitadhyutihi Chandro Paraga Sambhutam अग्निः पीडां व्यपोहतु यः कर्म साक्षी लोकानां यमो महिषवाहनः चन्द्रोपरागसम्भूताम् ग्रहपीडां व्यपोहतु रक्षो गणाधिपः साक्षात् प्रलयानिलसन्निभः कराळो निर्वृतिश्चन्द्रः ग्रहपीडां व्यपोहतु नागपाशधरो देवो नित्यं मकरवाहनः सलिलाधिपतिश्चन्द्रः ग्रहपीडां व्यपोहतु प्राणरूपो हि लोकानां वायुः कृष्णमृगप्रियः चन्द्रोपरागसम्भूताम् ग्रहपीडां व्यपोहतु योऽसौ निधिपतिर्देवः खड्गशूलधरो वरः चन्द्रोपरागसम्भूतम् कलुषं मे व्यपोहतु योऽसौ शूलधरो रुद्रः शङ्करो वृषवाहनः चन्द्रोपरागजं दोषम् विनाशयतु सर्वदा One more announcement. Our temple will be closed until 6:47. The darshanam will be from 7 p.m. So in this grahana time, so we should not eat, we should not sleep, we should be in aware state. Thank you. Namaste.